Next, I would like to call Mr. Arun Kumar Sharma to share some valuable words with us.
Distinguished guests on the dais, respected organizers, mentors, fellow leaders, and above all, the bright entrepreneurs of today and tomorrow. It's truly an honor to be amongst you for the last consecutive 2 years. Last year also I had attended this function, and then I have seen a lot of old faces also, and there are additions of large number of new faces this time too. So, it's truly honored for attending this, which is a platform that celebrates ideas, innovations, and the spirit of enterprise that is shaping India's future. Entrepreneurship, as we know, is not just about starting the businesses. It is about solving the problems and creating an opportunity, and also giving an opportunity to have a dream which otherwise people will think that it's very difficult to do the works and all those things. But you have a dream for daring to do the difficult things in life. In a country as vast as and diverse as this one, every corner holds unstopped potential. From the bustling cities to the smallest villages, India is brimming with ideas waiting to take the flight. So, India at the cusp of becoming one of the world's leading entrepreneurship hubs, and particularly we are seeing that in the last decade, since last decade, there has been kind of a humongous growth in the number of the startups, which has also been discussed by Abhishek. So, from the bustling cities to the smallest villages, everybody is now dreaming of doing something new with their own creations, with their own innovations and ideas which they are dreaming with. We are seeing the large number of startups being done in the fields of healthcare, in the field of agriculture, renewable energy, and countless other sectors. What is most encouraging is that this movement is being powered not just by the big investors, but by the students, the first generation entrepreneurs, women, and individuals from, as has been told by our earlier speaker, that even the tier 2 and tier 3 cities are also now basically aspiring for doing the startup activities and getting themselves involved in such activities. And they are refusing to let circumstances define their destiny. Rather, they are doing the, the very tedious hard work to come up with the situations which they are struggling for. So, in the nutshell, entrepreneurship is not without the challenges. The challenges which are being felt by the startup initiators are of various natures, like they have the problem about the finance, they have the problem about the mentorship, and the markets are also one of the challenges for them, which they often stand in the way of the young innovators. I have seen various innovators who are very good with their technologies, who are very well developed as far as the groundwork is concerned, and everything is ready. But due to the lack of they are not able to project themselves in the market. So market tendencies are very different kind of things which they are not fully aware with. So they are struggling to how to market their technologies, how to market their goods and products and all those things. So these are really a very challenging events, and then this is where these events like this summit play a pivotal role. By bringing together the entrepreneurs, investors, policymakers, and the thought leaders, we create an ecosystem where ideas can grow, partnerships can form, and solutions can be scaled up. So I would like also to emphasize one important aspect of entrepreneurship, that is the responsibility. And entrepreneurs, as entrepreneurs who are not only building the businesses, but also shaping the societies. So these are the responsibilities which are also being associated with the startup doers. The true success is not measured only by the profits, but by the positive difference you make in the people's lives, whether it is through sustainable practice or job creation or the inclusive growth. In all these aspects, you need kind of a different kind of approach with the full of responsibilities and doing certain things which full conviction and with the full values. So my message to the youth and the entrepreneurs are very simple. Like you have to be fearless in pursuing your ideas, but also be patient in building them. Be innovative, but never compromise on the values and the ethics. And be global in outlook, yet you have to be deeply rooted in your local strengths and the traditions. These are the things, fundamental things which need to be kept in mind by all the stakeholders who are present today in this summit. And you know that India has always been a land of visionaries, be it in the ancient pioneers of science and mathematics, or the modern leaders of industry and technologies. So you are also the torch bearers of this legacy. So this also has to be kept in mind. Let us remember that every successful enterprise we see today, whether in India or abroad, once began as a single idea. Then it has been nurtured by the determination and the hard work. So you have to believe in yourself and remember that the journey of entrepreneurship is not a sprint, it is a marathon race. You have to be accordingly set your minds and then think in that direction. These are the important things which I thought that I should be sharing with this kind of enlightened audience over here. So in conclusion, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the organizers of this summit for creating such a vibrant platform. I wish each of you the courage to innovate, the wisdom to adapt, and perseverance to succeed. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing the great contributions will emerge. We expect that the great contributions will be emerging from this gathering, and wish you all the best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now, I request Mr. Rajesh Kumar to hand over the memento to Mr. Arun Kumar Sharma.